All right, today what we want to do is show you our heat cure compounds. These compounds all cure with heat. You have to heat them with a heat gun so that they cure. The object is to fill the damaged area, heat it hot, take a texture pad, apply the texture to hide the repair, and then cover it. So we got a little repair here. We're going to do a demonstration. All these compounds act the same as far as how they are applied and how they are cured. The difference is some are thinner, some are thicker. It's more of a preference. I prefer to use Duraflex. It's the best compound on the market. It has fiberglass blended into it for strength, and it's got a nice thickness to it, and then the way it spreads, I like this compound. It's our most popular compound, by the way. So we're going to take a little bit of the Duraflex, a little under here. And you don't need a lot of compound. You just need enough to make the weld. So now, I'm going to use our 20-volt cordless heat gun. This is our newest heat gun. It's cordless. It is 100% perfect for doing vinyl repair. The reason is because it has a radiant heat. It'll heat this compound up, and I can grain it without melting the surrounding vinyl and get a halo like you do with a corded heat gun. The airflow is not blasting everywhere. It's very, very concentrated, as you're going to see. So here we go. Put it right on the repair. Cook the repair, basically. The compound will start to turn a little bit shiny, and it'll start to have a little bit of smoke. Not as much as like with a corded heat gun. Just a little bit. And we press down the pad, put our texture in there, and essentially the weld is made. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to blend out, make sure there's no high spots. I'm going to give it a little bit more compound to put some more texture back into it to help hide the repair. And now, again, with the cordless heat gun. Keep the heat on it. You'll see it start to turn a little bit glossy. You get a little bit of smoke, not a lot. You're literally almost touching that repair area. Right around the area. Keep it going. So you can see it's starting to smoke. That's good. Keep it going. Put the grain pad on immediately. You notice I didn't put the heat gun down, pick up the grain pad. I did it immediately. That's going to allow me to get texture into the repair. So now we're going to put a little color on that to see where we're at. Apply the color. Repair is pretty good. A lot of guys will leave that repair just like that. I'm more of a perfectionist. I try to get it as best I can. I also use my chill bar to kind of help me shape the repair, because sometimes you'll get little indents if you push on it. So you want the chill bar to heat the material up. Use the chill bar to kind of shape it. That's the repair. So now I want a little bit more texture in there. So I'm going to take just a little bit more Duraflex and come across it in a very, very thin layer. This layer is to give me texture now. The repair is made. I'm just trying to make it cosmetically less noticeable. So, take the heat gun one last time. Get it, same thing. Get it so it's like shiny and starts to smoke. Keep it on there. Get my grain pad ready. Press the grain pad in there. This time I'm going to take the chill bar, put the chill bar on the pad. Help me to put some more texture in there. If I want, I can go right back now, just touch up the texture like around the edges. Again, I'm going to get really close. I'm just going to go around the edges to make sure I have no edges there. I'm heating that at full 1022 degrees, so it's hot. I put a little color on there, that's the repair. Dry it a little bit. And again, if I want to shape it, what I'll do is I'll heat the area up, the whole area around it. I can do this without melting the grain out, which is nice. You can't do this with a regular heat gun, it'll just melt everything. So I just soften up the area. And then I put my chill bar on there. And I just work it. I cool the area down and basically work it. And that's the repair.